Hi, this is How To and What's New with Bill Spend and Expense. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the Gmail receipt integration. Let's get started. First, head to the integrations page in Bill Spend and Expense. Find Gmail for Business and select Connect. You'll see a quick overview of what the integration does and how the connection process works. Select Start Connection to get started. You'll open your Google Admin console. We give you a direct link to open it. Once you're in, navigate to Security, then Access and Data Control, then API Controls, and then Domain-Wide Delegation. Next, you'll add Bill as an API client in Google. Select Add New in the Admin console, then copy the client ID and auth scope from Bill and paste them into Google. Hit Authorize, and that part's done. Hit Complete Connection in Bill to finalize the connection. Now you're able to exclude any employees you may want to. Click the Manage Email Accounts tab once the integration is connected. If someone handles sensitive information or you'd rather not include them, just toggle them off. You can always come back and change this later. That's all for now. Reach out to the Bill support team or visit our help center for more.